Duh! It's on again. Oh, it's off. It's not off. Okay, thanks. Thank God. Thank God. Hold the video, you. I'll shoot you in the eye. Promise. Hey guys.
Hey viewers, don't look at it.
Hey guys, it's me again.
That poops on the toilet.
I'll put the video in the toilet. I saw you. I make a video for that.
But you cancel it.
Look. What should I do first? The Jolt or the Night Finder?
Night Finder. Night Finder! Why you're throwing a gun again? That gun is very poor. Very poor.
And I'll tell you
Very poor.
the good thing about this Jolt. Jolt. What's wrong with you, you Jolt? Damn, you Jolt. I mean, it's the Night Finder, and the good thing about the Night Finder is it's easy to reload.
Like the freaking Jolt.
It's more easier than the Jolt. Because the Jolt is a little bit hard.
Maverick.
Look. It's a little bit hard too. Hey. And the other good thing, it have a handlebar here. Handlebar makes chocolates. I know my gun. So yummy. Take one of these.
Can we taste it?
Yeah, right. Taste this.
Don't scare us. We will freaking kill you.
The other good thing is,
Hate you.
we don't need to pull the trigger so hard.
Like a baby.
Don't need to pull the trigger so hard.
And fart like a monkey.
And
You want to shoot us off.
And another good thing is, thank God, you pillow. Thank God he holds 3 bullets, not with a Jolt. Look.
No way.
Dumb. I don't like this.
It's blue.
Yeah, there's.
Cool. I want to get
the other
it.
good thing about this is it's over. Okay.
Cool.
I'll tell you the bad thing about this. The bad thing is the laser's fake. Look, it's fake. Look, you brat. Look, when the laser comes down here, I mean the bullet will go down here. I'm gonna get sick. Thank you guys, and
Poop on his face.
the other bad thing is
He pooped on your face.
this thing is a lie. I can't even see. Can't target you guys. I'm very sorry for not targeting. We're sorry. So I can't target you guys.
You are ugly.
And another bad thing, it's a little bit, hard to put the bullets in. Like this. Like this. Like that. So what if we're out of bullets, and what should we do? Wait, stop. We should do this. Wait, stop. I'm out of bullets. Then when they give me 3 bullets again, and then when I say, okay guys, I'm ready. And then they were shooting me in the eyes.
Why won't you already go down that time?
I don't care.
Hey guys, look at this magic. I'll make it blue.
Guys, that's not magic, guys. That's fake. You're dead again.
And then watch the video, freak.
Okay.
But
Yeah, I will.
But
Again with the butts. And another good thing is, the bad thing is, that's all.
it have a butt.
I'll tell you about what's that again? The shot review. The shot review is, look, the shot review is, I can't remember on episode 2, I was like, I can't put it I can't do it. I can't shut it in the hallway. Because they were like they were like telling me, "That's so noisy. That's so noisy. Go to jail. Go to jail." And I was like, "I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry." And then I was like, "So sorry." And I was like, "Go to jail. Go." And the guy was like, "Go to jail. Go to jail." And then I thought it was rap, so I told, and then the guy told, "I'm not joking," and that was fake. That didn't happen in the real life. So I'm sorry. That
It
will
might happen.
Yeah, it might happen.
Hey, don't shoot my main point.
I'll tell you the gun review of this. It's freaking awesome. It's 30 to 35 feet. Oh God, I'm out of bullets. You're so beautiful. Beautiful, I told you.
But they are bullets from the dark path.
They're butts. Butts of a girl.
Waki.
What I meant to say is it's 30 to 35 feet. Now I'll tell you the gun review of a Jolt.
Why you're putting your gun on the butt? The smelly butt.
The good thing about this Jolt is it's easy to reload.
Now you're putting your hands on the butt.
Wait, what happened? Let me just check if it's easy to reload again. Hey, what the? It's very easy to reload. Easy. And another good thing about this, it's you don't need to pull the trigger so hard.
Like that.
And another good thing is it have a target there, so you can like shoot it. That's so cool, God. And another good thing, it's over. That I'll tell you the bad thing about this Jolt.
Good thing it's tiny, so you can put it as a secret gun. So you can shoot their heads off.
And
with one
another
bullet.
good thing about this, yep, we can put in here, yeah. And I'll tell you the bad thing about the Jolt. The bad thing about the Jolt is it holds one bullet.
One bullet!
And the other good thing about this, bad thing about this, it don't have handlebars.
You said that's
It
good?
sucks a little bit.
So
It's
that's
so
good?
cool. In gun review, it's very cool. Tell you later, suckers.
So it's good?
And the other good thing about this, bad thing, what's wrong with me? The
It
bad
farts.
thing is
It farts.
you don't hold any bullets. Like, you don't hold one here, like one here. But we have techniques of this Jolt. Look. Wait. Like this, like example, like these guns. Look at this, guys. I can like put it. Oh my God, what's wrong with your gun? With your bullets? I don't like that.
Waki, look inside.
Whoa, I don't like this bullet. I really don't like this bullet. Now I'll show you the bullet like this. Look guys, look. This is the technique about this bullet. Like I can like put it there. That's awesome. I never knew it by my friend's, house. I just know that it's like
Do you
this.
think I said it?
Liar. It's two of us, liar. I'll shoot you in the eye when you don't tell that again.
We did it. I did it.
Cool. Look. Hey, even my friends can know this. Guys, look at this. We can do this, guys, in the Jolt. Even Juice. Come on, bro.
Joe's his friend.
Come on. It's awesome, bro. Watch this video, bro, please.
Hey, Joe's. If you're watching this, you told funny jokes.
Yeah, that's good. And the gun review is
30 to 35 feet.
so that's
Ew, you're spitting on the camera.
dead now, okay? You're dead later.
Hey, guys, look. He wants to kill. Guys, you want to kill me?
Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Fish like this.
Don't kill me first.
Then get out.
Guys,
Get out, you! No, stop
if
it!
he kills me,